Someone I could count to pull me to my feet again when I was in doubt. Oh, now mama, do you hear me calling out your name? Oh, now mama, do you hear me calling out your name?
Strongest mind when driven round the bend, to face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm closed for business today. He falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. Try to figure out what broke the day. A chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today. social media is sucking out the light. Step away from the monitor.
Okay, nearly at the end of the ride now. Very good ride today, very warm, at 32 degrees. So I took it nice and steady. So just over 20 miles, probably about 22 by the time we get back. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
There is no how or where or why. You can leave your goodwill in the center of the fire. I'm close with business today. Take your pills and push the quills away, and try to figure out what broke the day. Chemical imbalance of circumstance, or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm close for business today.